Hello my dear friends, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today I am here to describe about system landscape design as my one of the viewer is asking for system landscape design video. So today I am here to discuss about system landscape design. So let's start today's video. So first question which is in your mind is what is system landscape design? In short, you can say it is arrangement of all the servers. There are three servers mainly in SAP: development server, quality server, and production server. So you can say it is a it is a arrangement of all the server. What is system landscape design? You can say it is arrangement of all the servers, because it is one of the interview question which is mostly asked in an interview. What is system landscape design? What do you know about system landscape design? So you can say it is arrangement of all the server. In detail, we will understand now what is the server and what is their role and performance. First is development server. The development server is used to configure all the configurations by the functional consultant in this development server. The functional consultant configure their system in this development server. After configure in this development server, all the data will be transported into quality server, and in this quality server, the core team members and end users test all the configuration, is fulfill their business requirements, is it as per their business process or not. After testing in this quality server, all the information, all the configuration will be transported into production server for go live. And in this production server, it is a final server which is used by end users, by the users to perform their activities. In this production server, all the company data will be recorded online. So these are the three servers. Now in detail we will understand about each server. First is development server. In a development server, we have a golden client and sandbox. What is use of this golden client? So friends, golden client is used to configure all the configurations of the system. The functional consultant configure their system in this golden client. In a development server, they have one client, that is golden client. First of all, the question is what is golden client? So friends, you can understand in easy language, golden client is the system in which the SAP is installed. So in a development server, the basis consultant install three servers basis consultant install SAP in three systems. So each system is known as client. So first client name is golden client, and second client name is sandbox client, and third client name is development client. So I hope you understand what is means of this golden client. It is a name of the SAP system. In SAP language, this client is known as golden client, and golden client is used to configure all the configurations by the functional consultant. And after configure the system by the functional consultant, they copy all the configurations into sandbox. And in a sandbox, they check the functional consultant, test all the configuration. Is it there as per their business process? They fulfill their all the business requirements which is required by the core team members. After testing in this sandbox, the functional consultant, by this functional consultant, after testing, they copy all the data into quality server. After testing in a sandbox, they copy all the data into quality server. And in a quality server, all team members and end users check the business process. Is it fulfill their business requirement? Is it by their business process? All the users can check the system is fulfill their requirements. After testing in this quality server, the system will be go live in a production server. This is the final server on which data will be on go live. Here the company data will be recorded on live. In this production server, end user will have to access the post, display, change, reverse the transaction data as per their role and responsibilities. The user can perform their day-to-day activities in this production server. This is the final server in which data will go live. The functional consultant will have to access to display the configuration on this IMG screen. In this server, the functional consultant can only display. They cannot change any configurations in this production server. So production server is used to record all the data online. So friends, these are the three servers, and the way I have explained you all the process which is done in our system landscape design, how all the process will configure and in which system, who test their business requirements, and how the system, on which system the data will on go live. So I hope you understand all the business process, all the system landscape design process. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in a comment box or you can mail me. I will definitely come with your solution. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.